This is a CBS 4 Hurricane Isaias update.
Good morning. I'm meteorologist Lissette Gonzalez, and right now Hurricane Isaias is moving across the central Bahamas, located 80 miles south-southeast of Nassau. Here's the latest 5 a.m. advisory, and it is still a Category 1 with max sustained winds of 85 miles per hour. Now, the change this morning is that Isaias has slowed down a bit. It is moving to the northwest now at 12 miles an hour and forecast to continue moving in that general direction. So as we take a look at the latest future track, this is from the National Hurricane Center. You can see it is expected to move a little bit more north-northwest, possibly late tonight and into tomorrow, eventually to the north and then the northeast. So really the entire Atlantic seaboard needing to keep a close eye on this. And especially here in South Florida, we've been noticing how that forecast cone has been shifting left and right in the past 24 hours. And that's the reason why we can't get caught up in the cone, because as of right now here in South Florida, we need to prepare for the potential of tropical storm force winds, and even up through parts of northern Broward and Palm Beach County especially, we see the potential for hurricane force winds, and that is the reason that a hurricane warning has been issued for areas north of us in Palm Beach County. In fact, a hurricane watch is in place for coastal Broward County, and we have a tropical storm warning that's in place for all of coastal and metro Broward and Miami-Dade counties. And now for inland and far southern Miami-Dade County, a tropical storm watch has been issued. Hurricane warnings in place for the Bahamas, where currently we're seeing that the hurricane is pushing through and bringing some heavy rain and gusty winds, and really dangerous flooding will be possible for parts of the Bahamas. So hurricane conditions continuing for the Bahamas, moving from the central into the northwestern Bahamas here as we head throughout the day today. And because Isaias has slowed down a little bit, we are going to see that time of arrival of the tropical storm force winds and the potential impacts for us a little bit later than we anticipated, and that was forecast yesterday. So as we head into late morning, we're going to likely start to see some tropical storm force winds, but especially as we head into the afternoon, evening, and tonight, because that's when Isaias will likely be closest to the coast. Right now, the forecast shows the center of Isaias remaining offshore and over the Bahamas, but again, any little wobble in the track, and that really could determine how worse the weather could be for us. So as we take a look at late Saturday night into Sunday, tonight into tomorrow morning is when we could see some of the worst of the weather, especially for places like Palm Beach County and areas north of there. And it looks like Isaias will ride up the east coast of Florida here as we head in through tomorrow, and eventually could be just offshore of the southeast coast of the United States. So we've seen the potential that it could be near or moving over parts of the Carolina coast as we get into early next week, and then by the middle of next week could be near the northeast New England coastline. So certainly something that I said all the Atlantic seaboard will be watching closely. Now we take a look at the estimated time of arrival of those tropical storm force winds and potentially hurricane force winds. You'll notice that as we head into later this morning around noontime is when we could see some tropical storm force winds, but especially as we head into the evening now, and that's a shift from yesterday, and into tonight is when we could likely more than likely see those tropical storm force winds. And even overnight still, it's not until Isaias lifts northward and away from us as we head into likely the middle of the day tomorrow into the afternoon when we'll start to see some gradual improvement. As we look at the satellite image for Isaias, looking a little ragged this morning, it is battling some wind shear and some dry air. Nonetheless, it is still expected to remain a hurricane, as these are very warm waters here over the Bahamas, and it is going to continue to bring squally weather there. And we've already had wind gusts of 40 miles an hour earlier this morning. We had some rain bands move through, and we'll continue to see more of those squalls and rain bands as we head throughout the morning and throughout the day. So as we head into this afternoon and then overnight tonight in through tomorrow morning, peak winds could be anywhere from 25 to 45 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. In terms of rainfall, we could see 2 to 4 inches of rain with higher amounts, especially north of Broward. So we're talking maybe 1 to 3 inches of rain for southern Miami-Dade and the Keys. And yes, there's the threat for storm surge. We have higher than normal tides due to the full moon, so we could see storm surge of 1 to 3 feet above ground, especially for North Miami Beach to the Jupiter Inlet. Let's check in on the radar because we're seeing most of the rain is now in Palm Beach County and moving west and over the Everglades. Right now it's quiet in Broward County, but I'm keeping an eye on this rain band that's over Bimini and moving westward. And we're also dealing with some rain bands down across parts of the Middle Keys near Marathon, Big Pine Key, and Big Coppet Key. That'll be the trend. We'll continue to see these rain bands. The winds are fairly calm or light right now, 5 to 15 miles an hour, but our European model is showing that as soon as noon we could see wind gusts of up to 40 miles per hour, and even as we head throughout the afternoon it could be pretty gusty, gusts as high as 35 to 40 miles an hour as we head in through tonight and possibly through early tomorrow morning. And again, that rainfall potential anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches for Dade County and maybe 2 to 4 inches for Broward. Notice how the higher rainfall totals are expected for Palm Beach County and areas north of that. And of course, we'll have another update and more updates coming up during the CBS This Morning newscast and of course our local newscast at 9 a.m. Stay tuned to CBS 4 and CBSMiami.com.